Do you want to undo your send friend request? Let's learn how to do it. Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. If you mistakenly send someone a friend request, then you may cancel it from going their profile in tapping cancel request option. That will undo the friend request and it's done. Now we learn how to find the user whom you sent friend request. If you're troubling in getting profile to whom you send friend request, we mention a detailed step in our guide, link in comments and description, on how finding all send friendship request. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us.